Lunch stop. I almost forgot the camera at the hostel. Juan and I are leaving the hostel here. Heading southeast. So we just had a quick lunch stop. Where we're going?
We're going to a hospital. Someone has offered us the hospital to stay there. So let's see.
Yeah. Music on.
Hmm?
Yeah, I use music. Fucking music.
Yeah.
Good morning. Day 2 of our border run. It's a hospital. Bikes, we have the garden for ourselves and everything. So we got this and a room for ourselves. Yeah, before doing a long way, we need to eat.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Border run to Myanmar. Today we're crossing the border back into India. Yeah, bye. Take care. Siliguri, West Bengal, India. Let's go to India. It's 120 kilometers from Siliguri, 85 something to the border. Why did you want to go back to India? New entry is finished. Back to India. Customs and immigration, how long did it take? Might be
1 hour. Minus 15 minutes.
I would say a little bit more than 1 hour, so let's say 1 hour.
We just need to change money. Totally destroyed. It's a fucking cow. India 1, Juan 0. Oh! 6:50? It's almost 12 hours.
You remember? Yeah, you remember 2 o'clock when we were like, oh, we're so close now.
2 o'clock? Where were we? 2 o'clock? Yes, before. In the petrol station.
Almost to the border.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
amazing! Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much.
Now it's exactly 1,000 kilometers left. Quite near exactly 1,000.
Yeah.
And how many days? 10 days.
10 days.
Fuck, the GoPro just broke off the thing. Goodbye. Shady cleaning time. Let's do some WD-40. I'll let that sit for a little bit. And then I'll apply the chain lube. Ready to leave. Gong guy gong!
When you're feeling down and low, there's really only you need to crawl back on your feet and keep on fighting. And don't ever stop. Don't look over your shoulder. Don't ever look back. No use for second opinion.
Yeah, I lost Juan. Gonna drink some water. It is warm.
So warm and hot, man.
So we only went 50 kilometers and it's too hot. Have to stop, drink a little bit, eat something. But the road is very good here in Northeast India. For India, this road is, I would say, top notch. The only road in India that is better than this probably is the express road.
Yeah, as far as I have seen, that's correct. Yeah, but this is more beautiful, you know, because we are more close to nature.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's time to go. Okay, it's time to go again. Gong buru. What was the name? Gong gai gong.
Gong ai gong no.
No?
Not a gong ai gong. Gong ai gao.
Gong gai gao.
Gong ai
Assam.
Assam.
Assam gong gai gao. Gong gai gai. Gao. Gong gai gao.
Not a gong ai gong. Gong ai gao.
Gong gai gao.
Yeah.
Okay.
25 kilometers.
Yes. Looks like Carlos beat us here. So we left Carlos in Katmandu, but he came here before us. Crazy man.
No, because you don't have the latest version of this.
So we're getting ready to head out and go to Guwahati, right? Guwahati. Yes. Yeah.
You can call me stupid, yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble deep. 'Cause I won't break no honor.